I am Sabrina Watkins in Professor Lance Crim's EE1000 course. We are testing the breadboard power supply. This is my container for it. It is made out of dice because I am married to a nerd and I too have nerd-like tendencies. Here is my power supply. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Like so, and turn it on so it works, which is always a plus. And now I'm going to measure the voltage. So right now it is on the 3.3, so I'm going to use the husband's Fluke voltage meter. That was recently calibrated, so we know it is testing to the highest accuracy. And first off, I'm going to go ahead and test it on the 3.3, like so. And it is showing 3.3 volts, which is good. So now we're going to go ahead and change it to the 5 volt and test again, and so it reads 4.93, which is pretty close. And then the power supply I have is only 5 volts, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on the adjustable, and my light went out. So we'll test, see what happens. And it's because it's extremely low right there. So we're going to go ahead and adjust it some. So as we see, it starts to come on some. Here it is, about middle ways. That gives us 4.95, and then for funsies, we'll turn it all the way and testing it. .96, so it changed, but not really. And that is all she wrote. Thank you.